fine folks. Thanks for checking out the video. There are 1,000,000 videos on changing your lip spoiler to the Hellcat spoiler. So I'm going to just show you clips of what I did and how it was. Honestly, it was pretty simple. I did get this spoiler from eBay, from Auto Spoilers and Trims. Like I said, just a clip of what I did. It's not going to be major. You'll see some of it or some of what I did or whatever. It wasn't that hard to do at all. Back here again. So I went underneath there to get it, and I started pulling it, and this actually came right up. It came up, so it's only one more plug. I'm hoping it'll pop out of there without me killing myself for it. Come on, baby, pop out of there. Just pop out of there. Aha! Came out of there. Look at that. So these are the plugs that are underneath there. If you can get something to squeeze them through, put pressure on them, it'll come out of there with no problem. Remove the cover from underneath here, and on the side there, there's a bolt that's there. I took that one out. And there's two up here. Oh, I remember there was one here, and one right there. And then there was that outer bolt over here. I removed that there. Okay, I'm gonna try the fishing wire now. See if it comes off. Working its way through. Definitely wear gloves. This is bullshit. It's hurting. It's digging in my skin. Okay, I got the rear spoiler off, and this was really easy. It wasn't difficult at all. Like I said, again, let that Googone sit on there. You'll be good to go. Good to go. So I put more Googone on there, and I'm letting it sit to loosen this stuff up here. I didn't get the plugs that I needed. That's coming right off. So I'm gonna head into the store now to go pick up some plugs. Let that sit on there some more longer. The side pieces were way easier than I thought. Like I said, the Googone sat on there for maybe 3 hours or something like that. And all I did was pried one corner of it up and took the fishing line through it, pried one corner of it up, and just pulled it off. It came right out of there. No problem. So I used the DA on here. I decided to use it because it wasn't coming off. I tried to do it by hand. I used that there, compound polishing stuff, and it took all the dirt marks off there. And looks good. Touch up paint on that. Got all the marks off of it. The only problem I ran into was the mounting screws for the spoiler that I got aren't exact to what the car has. So that's a big problem you may run into. So if you do run into that, you might have to drill holes right there to access the screw to mount it.